guys, what's going on this lovely, beautiful morning? Kids are finally in school today. Awesome. I don't know what to do. As you can see, I've been busy. I've been trying to upload videos, get everything situated. And the babies are always watching their music. So, today's the kids' first day of school. Everyone got off to a great start. The only problem was I really wanted to take my son Ethan to his school the first day just so he can meet up with somebody. But because my brain is always in 1,000 different places, I left my keys in my wife's car and she took the keys when she went to work. So I really feel bad, but he's a smart kid. He knows what to do. So he had to ride the bus anyway, so he got to ride the bus, get it over with. It's finally done. He ain't got to worry about it. He knows where he was getting picked up at. He knows what bus number he was getting off. So he's a smart kid. He'll make it through. The babies are over here talking and playing. You gonna show them what you were doing? Show them what you were doing, Bob. Show them what you were doing. You putting that on your, don't put that on your face, silly. What you doing? You gonna show them? Show them what you were doing? What are you doing? You got the little fan going? You gonna say hi to him? Say hi. Oh, you touching the furry, I know. Say hi to him. Say hi. You gonna say hi to everyone? Good job. Alright, we'll say bye-bye. Say we'll see you in a little while. We'll see you in a little while. Alright guys, we'll see you here shortly.
Move there, here, move there, move everywhere, move, move. E-I-E-I-O, E-I-O. The animal sound song. What do the animals say? We can find out today. Let's all sing and play and hear what the animals say. The horse says neigh, neigh, neigh. The pig says oink, 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 oink. The little mouse.
Yay! Squeak, squeak.
And the bird says quack, tweet, tweet. The snake says the dog says
Ruff, ruff, ruff.
the cow says moo.
Moo, moo.
The rooster says
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
what do the animals say? We can find out today. Let's all sing and play and hear what the animals say.
Yeah, woo-wee! Yeah, give me 5. Let me hear you say it again. Yeah, Daddy wants to hear you again. Can you do it again?
Here we stand. Pig says oink.
Okay, I'll get it.
What do the animals say? We can find out today. Let's all sing and play and hear what the animals say.
Hold on, Bob. Watch out. Move your hands. There you go.
The little mouse says squeak.
Alright guys, now that I've made it obvious that I was trying to catch them on camera, they're not going to do it, but I'm getting close. I got them to do it. What's going on, guys? We had a total major issue.
You got hit in the head with the keyboard like you're wrestling.
Dad, can you stop me?
That was fun.
You have a bedroom, right?
No, but I want them to hear. This is like a stalker alert. Not really, guys. It's the musically.
Girl, well then you can't play it.
Anyways, guys, we had an emergency. One of the kids decided he'd pick a keyboard up. The babies, the twins. The ones that are now sitting here together, happy as can be, like nothing's ever happened.
Can we exploit the babies to baby wrestling?
No. One picked up a keyboard and threw it at the other and slammed him in the head. So, yeah, it was an issue. So, we are back though. I wanted to do something real quick. Since Ethan was asking me, figured I'd go ahead and open this up.
Hi, Dad. All right, cool.
See, it says I would just wait there until you come upstairs.
Look at you.
Ethan!
Oh, good job, Ethan. Way to pour water all over the floor.
Well, it was ice originally. Zoe! Where's Zoe? Did you put out Zoe Tanner again? Freaking, she doesn't deserve to be out there. Here, I got it. Because you're not even holding it right. It has to go like right there.
The unboxing is. What are you?
You're not holding it.
What is it even?
There, that's good.
Open, baby. Can I unbox it?
No.
Why?
Oh
Hey,
my
no.
goodness!
Wanna
What
walk
could
the
it
back
be?
side? Sit your body on that.
What could it be?
It's the Amy, isn't it?
Do what?
Is it Amy's?
Finally.
Ugh. All right, guys, you ready? Dun dun dun! Bam!
Oh yeah, I forgot the aloe gel you were telling me about.
That would explain why I was all wiggly and wobbly.
That's
For some reason that's not focusing, but maybe we put it close.
You're supposed to put your hand behind it.
There we go.
Girl, what are you doing? The freaking, you can't even see your hands.
That's the point, Ethan. You're supposed to
There
like
we go,
that when
right
you
there.
focus something so it focuses better.
Girl, you can't see your hands because it was already up to the lens.
So I want to know how this tastes.
Watch out, Daddy.
I've been looking into this
it's a
company.
drink.
I'm going to try it out and check it out and see how it's going to be.
No.
I think he learned from
You're gonna get hit in the head twice?
Ethan.
Yeah? Boom.
So, but the main ingredient
Good, he didn't hear me.
Yeah, here we go.
is aloe,
Said, I think I know where you learned it.
not water. So I wanted to give it a try. Said why not? I'm checking
And
everything
the boys
out.
have
So
soccer
yeah.
practice today.
That sounds like a plan,
Yeah,
dog.
the boys have soccer. I was telling Dad how we should do this thing in like one of the videos.
Dad, when we go to the store, can I get a new lanyard? Because I hate the school lanyards. They're
No.
a piece of the garbage.
You can have the school one. So anyways, all right, guys, we'll see you here in a bit.
Does that sound familiar? I've heard that before.
What are you doing, Bob? Yeah, what do you see? Oh, the tree? The tree? Yeah, the big tree.
You guys want a drink?
Want a drink, Liam? Connor, I mean? Mama. Mama's got a drink, Bubba. You don't want a drink? Yeah. Yeah, the swings. The swings. What's Sissy doing? Look at Sissy over there on the bike. Go see Sissy. Come on.
Come here, Connor. It's the ice cream truck.
Careful.
Let's get some ice cream.
Yeah, you love Mother Nature. That you do.
Come here, Connor.
Yeah, the truck. The truck.
Ice cream truck. Come here, Liam. Wow. Who wants to go swing? You want to go on the swings?
He's not even showing up.
Do you see any more? Yeah, there's one right there. There's one right there. You wanna get it? Get it? Yeah, you pick it up.
Hey, what are you doing?
Pick it up, Bubba. No, not the grass, silly.
Go go back to Mama?
Here, pick this. Here.
Got the grass?
There you go. Oh, there it goes. It's all gone.
You know that.
Yeah, that's just the stem. What you got? You gotta go. Blow on it.
Blow it.
Not smell it. You gotta blow it, silly.
Connor. Connor.
Blow it. Watch. Watch Daddy. See? See, you gonna blow? I'd sniff it, silly. Your shirt's hanging down. What? Oh, the dog. It's the doggies. You see the doggy? What does the doggy say? Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. Tell me what a doggy says. What does a doggy say?
I know. Oh, watch out.
Did you leave mine in the car?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Watch out, Bubba. Can you move that way, please?
Well, we're still in have practice, guys. Haley's.
What are you doing?
Haley.
Huh?
What? What are you
Go
laughing at?
that way, please.
I can't believe that's like the first time you smiled in the last 2 hours.
Shut up. Emma, you almost
You kicked her.
me in my face.
How can she catch your legs when you like back kicked her in the face? You doing one?
Do that again. Do it again.
You doing one, boo boos?
Yay!
Yay!
We'll get them in gymnastics and we'll be in the Olympics.
Oh gosh, shut up, Daddy.
What? That's the age you got to start at right there.
I know, but you guys won't let me do gymnastics.
You're gonna play hockey and be on the men's hockey team.
Oh, I would so like that.
That'd be awesome, wouldn't it?
Wait, if they were on hockey? No, I want to be on hockey.
Okay, do what you did before.
You gotta learn to ice skate first.
No, I don't.
Why are you throwing stuff out? Why are you picking up the bird poop? That's bird poop. Look at Haley picking up all the bird poop.
Do it again. Bend over. Bend over, Bubba.
Oh, why am I
Yeah, that's what happens when you try to be a little smart.
Shut up.
Smart.
Hey, you want to go?
I'll punch you right here in front of everybody.
No, you won't.
Punch my fist. Come on, punch it like you really mean
I'm
it.
scared.
Punch it. Come on.
Ow!
Oh my goodness.
Hey, can you hold my legs?
No. You're gonna kick me in the face like Emma. No, you're supposed to stay up.
I know, that's a cartwheel, duh.
I know, do a handstand.
Hold on.
Come on, you want to be gymnastics to see your upper body strength.
I got it. Warm up.
Oh, you gotta warm up. Is this like warming up again like you were in the front yard?
What?
Is this like the warm-ups you did in the front yard? There you go, that was a little bit better. You're getting there. Oh, there you go, good job. There you go. Try to hold it as much as you can. And then try to do a push-up.
No!
Why not?
Because I can't do it.
Do one and then go all the way back. Do a complete flip.
I can do it.
All right, do it.
I can't, my back.
That's how you probably hurt your back.
What are you doing? That wasn't it.
I know, obviously. What's going on, guys? Oh, man. Got me a haircut when we got home from soccer. I hope you like it. I don't know. It's probably what? I think it's like 7:30-ish now. I think like that. I think I'm gonna end the vlog now. I'm gonna cook dinner. Oh, never mind, babe. Why do y'all wanna cook dinner? Hello? Hello? Hey! Oh, I guess she went back down the stairs. Anyways, like I was saying, I got my hair cut. I hope you liked it. The kids' soccer game went well. It definitely went good. Kind of getting them used to the whole thing. The coach didn't show up, so luckily there were some parents there that took over and actually gave them some practice. So I'm going to be off for the next couple days, so this probably won't get posted till Thursday. But I should have said this in the vlog previous, but I got some things I need to do. Couple days off. I should probably be back vlogging probably Thursday. Probably actually when this one goes out. Yeah, my hair looks really good. My wife did this. When she got out of work. After soccer practice, she did that. So, yeah. Alright, guys. Yeah, it's about, I think, what, 7:40 now? I don't even remember. But, so yeah, please, guys, thank you guys for subscribing. And any of the subscribers, any new, which we haven't got any new ones, but hopefully maybe with this video, if you're new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It means the world to our family. We actually enjoy it. We are gonna try to get this challenge done in the next couple days. It's kind of hard because the kids just started school, and you know, I'm gonna try to get it in within these next 2 days. But like I said, I don't know how that's gonna work with filming and all that. I got a lot of stuff. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Please give it a thumbs up. Share it. Sharing is what we need the most. That's how we spread the word. So with your help, we can grow, you know, together as a family, and it would mean the world for us. So please, I guess I'm gonna end it. So, all right, guys, thank you so much, and guess what? We'll see you tomorrow.